Hello everyone, let's go to the 60-second example. Make a program that reads 6 integers and stores them in an array. Then print on a single line which are the largest and the second largest elements present in the array. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, we have to include the library stdio.h which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the hashtag define to define a name and a value for this name. So every time I'll call this name, the value will be 6, 6, and 6. This is an easy way to reuse the code, just changing. To 7, the number will be 7, 7, and 7. But on this program, I will use 6 as the example asked to us to use an array of 6 places. So, moving on, I am including 4 int variables for the array of 6 places, the controller of our 4, the largest and the second largest. This for starts with the value of I equal to 0, and every time this for loop runs, we'll check if the value of I is lower to the max. As we remember, an array works on this way. 5. Okay, so here we have 6 places. So in the first time, this scanf will storage the value of array on the place 0. So you type 7. The 7 will be storage on the computer memory on the array 0, and the second number on this place, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. So if the 0 counts, we have 5 places. 6 places, but stops in the place numbered 5. And every time this for loops runs, the I value will be increased by 1. Here I am initializing the value of largest and the second largest as the first place on the array. So, for example, in the first place has the number 7, so the largest will be equal to 7, and the second largest to 0. So, this for loop has the same conditionals of this one. And these are the keys for the program. So, let's check. If the largest value is lower to the value on the array, placed on the array I, the second largest will be equal to the largest. So I am changing the value of the largest to the second largest, and the largest will be equal to the value here. For example, the largest value is 7. The first place is 7. And on this place, we have the number 9. So, 7 is lower to 9. So, the second largest value will be equal to 7. And the largest will be equal to 9. And else if this conditional is false, we will check the second largest. So, if the second largest is lower to the value that we use, the second largest will be equal to the value. For example, the second largest is equal to the 7, and the array is the number 8. So this is true. The second largest will be equal to 8, but lower to 9, as the largest value is 9. And this printf will print the largest value in the vector, and this printf will print the second largest value in the vector. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here. Enter the value placed in the position 0, 1. Place in the position 1, 6, 10, 9, 8, 22. The largest value in the vector is 22. As you can see, 22 is bigger than 8, 9, 10, 6, and 1. And the second largest value is in the vector is 10. As you can see, 10 is bigger to 1, 6, 9, and 8, but is lower of 22. So, thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.